Hey guys, Jacob from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida here. Today I'm showing you our newest consignment listing. This is the 2023 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. A little bit of a change story or a change of direction on the owner's mindset. Does want to go larger. So he just got this one in and is wanting to sell this one before he upgrades larger. So this is a never been used 250 Dauntless. Hasn't even been in the water yet apart from the FDI and PDI when it first arrived. It does come with a 10-foot power pole blade in the white color to match the hull and the outboard. As you can see, this is paired with the Mercury 300 V8 outboard. It has excellent torque behind it where it gets the boat on plane at lower RPMs, and it's just a great workhorse for the boat. It is paired also with an Atlas jack plate, so if you wanted to get in those shallower waters and be able to plane, you do have that ability in here. So it's a great complete package for the overall best bay boat that you can find right now. Let's hop up in and I'll show you some more. And now that we're up here into the cockpit of the boat, like I mentioned earlier, this is a bay boat. So you do have a nice big aft casting platform where every seat right now is all folded down. So you have a very large casting platform, easy for maneuverability, walking around when you're hooking up into those big fish and you got to run around the whole side. You have plenty of walk space without anything really obstructing your toes so you don't trip or anywhere. Back here, there is a raw water hookup connect right here for you, as well as the freshwater hose that is paired right here. Now, if you guys have more people that you want to have come with you, rather than fishing, these do convert into nice flip-up seats. So then you don't have to worry about lack of seating. Here in the middle, there is a very large size live well to be able to keep all your bait and your fish alive if you want to. Underneath the leaning post, it does come with a Yeti, so you can keep all your drinks cold, your cold beverages, however you want to pair it with your sandwiches. Moving forward to the helm, we do have a very nice leaning post with flip down bolsters, keeps it very comfortable on your lower back through those long days. As well as something that I personally really like the most about the Boston Whaler center consoles is just the integrated footsteps that they have here. So if you are a little bit of a shorter person, such as myself, they do have a nice raised up footrest for you. This one comes paired with the Simrad, has Mercury vessel view, as well as a very nice wireless phone charger here at the top of the helm. It is a little recessed down, so it has a nice kind of pocket for your phone to sit in, so there's not anywhere for it to go. It does have the digital throttle 2nd generation system with the active trim. You have your Simrad VHF radio, just everything as a complete package that you do need to get out on the water. As we finish up here at the front, this is where, in my opinion, all of the fun happens. You do have a very nice coffin lounger, big enough to fit 2 people or 3 people of my size. You do have a nice casting platform in the front. As you can see, we have the cushions put on it right now for more comfort. And if you need additional seating, these flip up backrests on both sides flip up, so you have nice 2 forward front loungers to be able to see. It comes with the motor guide trolling motor. This one is iPilot, so it does have the spot lock feature, track holding, everything that you do need for when you're offshore, keeping you on that spot. If you'd like to know more about this boat, again, my name is Jacob Wright, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Give me a call and I'd be more than happy to walk you through it. Contact number is 850-819-9106. Thank you guys.